Converting the RMR footprint to a HoloSun K footprint is easy. You don't need to do anything to permanently alter the slide cut. All you need is this DPP Titanium adapter plate. This plate fits tighter than the factory HoloSun RMR to K footprint adapter that came in the EPS packaging. Also, this plate can mount the 507K with the RMSC footprint as well. You can get it by visiting the first affiliate link in the description. What makes the DPP fits tighter is the tall threaded index posts that have more thread depth for the screws to grab onto. These index posts are machined into the plate as one piece, and it acts like recoil bosses that provides extra points of contact instead of the two tiny pins to hold the EPS or the EPS carry. Once the optic is installed, it's not moving at all before even installing the mounting screws, so you can have full confidence that this plate will hold zero. Just use the adapter screws to mount the plate to any RMR footprint slide and torque each screw to 10 inch-pounds. Then the EPS can go on there and torque each screw to 13 inch-pounds. The real Avid torque wrench is a very helpful tool for setting the exact torque value without guessing to avoid over-torquing. There you have it. This is how you can mount the HoloSun EPS, EPS Carry, and 507K on an existing RMR optic cut slide. If you like this content, please like and share. For other installation videos, watch this playlist next.